This EV cab company did a 390 plus crore rupees revenue in FY24 and it only provides services in 2 cities. Blue Smart, which only operates in NCR and Bangalore, has managed to pose a threat to big players such as Ola and Uber. The irony being it started off in Uber's app itself. But the question is, how is Blue Smart different from its rivals? इसके लिए we need to understand each of their business models. So with Ola and Uber, the company doesn't own any vehicle. Instead, a driver is allowed to join and he gets a commission per ride or subscription on monthly or weekly basis. This makes the model scalable, but at the end of the day, the driver is the owner of the vehicle, and more often that is what leads to some form of customer dissatisfaction or employee dissatisfaction. Blue Smart, on the other hand, works on asset-light business model where the cars are taken on lease from companies like EESL. Hence, it effectively owns the vehicle and hires drivers with a fixed pay, ensuring utmost customer satisfaction. That is the reason both customers and drivers trust Blue Smart more. In fact, 40% of Blue Smart drivers are ex-Ola or Uber employees. But the main issue with Blue Smart lies within scalability. Blue Smart operates on a hub-to-hub model. Also, the cars being a company asset, it has to bear a maintenance cost as well. And the lack of charging infrastructure in India makes it difficult to expand the EV business. To deal with this, Blue Smart has also invested in charging infrastructure by making 50 plus charging hubs. Everybody knows that the EV market in India is pretty much like a chicken and egg problem. But now you know why